Welcome to a short video to show you the differences between Modbus RTU server version 1.2 and the older versions. We've got both versions open here. 1.2 is the newer one. 1.14 was the latest version of the older version. There's a few changes, and those changes have got mainly to do with how we handle the Modbus registers and how those registers are added and deleted. As you can see, the old version had 4 separate register sections in here for the 4 Modbus register types, and you had to click on one of those and it would only show you whichever one you had selected up there. Now we've got all of them on the same screen in a tree type structure. When you first open the application, there is no registers, just like on the older version. And on the older version, you had to select one of the register types, then click the plus button, and it would put in a register, and you can put in as many registers as you like. However, when you went across to the input, all those registers become invisible. So in the newer version, we can do the same thing. We can highlight the holding section, and we can add registers. We can then highlight the input section, and we can add some registers, and we go to the digital inputs and we add some registers, and we've now got this disclosure triangle that allows us to select whatever it is that we want to view. So that's the basic difference between what we've had before and what we've got now. There's also another way to add registers. You can right click or option click, and that'll allow you to do an add register, and depending on where you do your option click, it will add a register in that particular section. The other difference that we've now got the ability to do some sorting. So if we name our registers like we could on the other one, and we just give it some name and another name there, we can then click on this one